our ability to actually pick samples and test samples for diseases was limited. Very often, if we were not able to get support from the UVRI, the Uganda Viral Research Institute in Entebbe, we would have to ship these samples abroad to be able to determine what disease we have. So working with our partners from the US called DiTRA, they offered to help us construct a Biosafety Level 2 laboratory that is constructed in Mweya. That laboratory is now operational.
So the capability of this lab is currently in 3 forms. 1, we can do diagnosis. 2, we can do forensics. We are developing a pipeline for forensics, especially for wildlife. And then we do research. And when we do research in bacterial pathogens, protozoan pathogens. We do research in viral pathogens as well. We know that the communities around, in this park especially, do engage in eating wildlife. When they find carcasses, they will eat them, especially the hippo carcasses. If someone eats a carcass that they do not know, they don't know the cause of death, it is a risk to them, because you do not know what has killed it. What if it's a pathogen that can kill you? So in the past, we've had anthrax outbreaks, both in the wildlife, and then it spills over to human beings. It also spills over to livestock.
We are working on different projects. One to see, because the burden in wildlife tends to cascade to the livestock and then cascades to the human beings. Like for example, a tourist died due to Marburg in Python Cave. So we are doing a study to follow up on those bats to see how far do they move from the cave to the villages, so that we can sensitize those people that these bats, despite them coming to your village, they are carrying a given disease that might be detrimental to your health.